Hello, my people. How na dey? Also, na dey fine. My people, another apology don't still bust out to Mama Sharon. Oh, Salobua. Oh, we doma. Death, this death. To they do something where they pay person, This one where then they call Golden. Now, no, say, now she come out, come tell us, say, now, so the mama husband, he go Sharon house. Now so this, now so that one. Now not the video. Now the video go viral for everywhere. She tell us what we be not know before. She tell us many things. She even talk and say, make they not even carry the body go Nigeria. Make they put them for here. All these people where be said they talk so they not be your kite bell. They not be family. Or say na so them here na they be your friend when they be say they just they play. So now she come and now come they say make you find somewhere to like take forgive her. The one when me they talk for his side, where she go come stay find the somewhere take forgive her. I don't know. I just they ask where she want go find the somewhere because in a way run more atoma or balance okposisi. Una no know wetin the woman they pass through. Una way be say una call say una be friends. Una come they like si kwaka. Now come they draw the woman. People where be say they outside where not even know anything, not even draw the woman. But now this friend where be say he near the girl pass. Now he can't drag the woman to the extent that the woman in the tower wait I do na. I mean ye me they be wa they me on wa they damon wa get no je. My people, the first one come out. He rubbish the woman. Because he come out. Iye la wale skokpa na forgiving yen. Your mind no pushing yen. Like say Sharon go fit just wake up now. Come see the kind friend where she gets. Assuming say Sharon really tell you now something about her mother, the family, the way they take day. No be ukbo one no. Where as this thing can happen so, una no go even talk and come out. Why? Because those children where Sharon leave behind. Now your mama na go still take care of those children. They know they see person where be saying with your mama no they get misunderstand you. E no dey oh. Abi una no they get misunderstand you for now. You go still get misunderstand you with your papa, with your mama, with your brothers. Things go still pass. And they can agree when it comes to family. And you boy with her. Then we move on. But una all not be like that. Una not even think and say, after una don't drag this woman to the way una want to drag her, una can't forget say, Eme Vani, now she go still take care of those two children. Una way they drag the mama. No be say now una go take care of the children because why grandmama dey here. So by law, now your mama go carry those children. Now what for some of you now, I dey tell una say, ene maladian unu, ene no nya, una no gree here. Una will say, if I don't talk, I'll come say, please forgive me. Find somewhere from your heart to forgive me and let's go and let's move on. Why so? Hi, most of una. No me wa mana le on go with her here. After all these things, after who can be the third one where go come out because now two men don't come out so. Who can be the third one where go come out? We never know. Una no fit stand for our friends. Say no matter wetin, if I dey here with you, gidigba. E no dey. Even this one where they say that they call Golden so. She even use her mouth talk and say she did the house. Now the next day now she can't jump enter live video. No, this live video of 18. If they give una, I don't know. I just they ask because me still dey inside. You know they make me they go gaga. Why the thing can't they make una they go gaga now? If you see the one way marriage no way don't bend, it could come sit down, come they tell us. See the way the marriage they bend. If you see the one way be anyone, they go come sit down, they'll come they tell us. I don't understand. After una don't talk, una they get joy. The thing they sweet for na body. I don't know. I just they ask because all these things when just they do so. No one mature for brain. No one. When they tell him mama say the day when they go bury the pikin, may you not dead there. May you not strain yamo. Another one say, why your boyfriend go come the house? Oh, Mona tell me where the boyfriend go where he go. Not be where the woman there go console her. Oh, my darling. If you yaga man, not cry too much. They look those children eye. Not be there he go. I don't know. Maybe for stand for outside. I don't know. I just they ask. You see most of una. I dey talk on my children with my siblings. Now they be my friend though. I no girlfriend though. We are jao. I was a neo guy. Bajao. Emi nata mo wa da nata mo wa be ho idagbo wa na do ana neya. They will come sit down, come they talk with boldness. Later they will come say, please find somewhere. I don't know what to do me. Oh, I don't even know. Say na me even they talk so. The thing come out from my mouth. Choco. Wako yo. I tell na say ya we go banu waka. Why is it kai waka efo? You go back. Wana keswe. Ama we tofu. See that look na be dog. Oh, we dey here with the look on anyanya with the look on. Person just lost the pikin. Wana see your bossy or we wana ga bomb we ki aba tete wana bomb we. He never get to na time. Una friend tell una something. Wama say keep pay no wa daji. No matter waiting, she not there yet again. Those children usually on the bow again. No, una not do like that. Okay, una way don't use una man take chop shit now. Chop everything. If the something where this una can't talk truth, they inside or lie, they inside though. Nobody ask una bet una can't tell us. Una go fit carry una leg tomorrow, say una want go the mother house, say una maybe una want go say we want congregate the children. Kwe no wala wa, no wa do ria nyo wa. You no agree o. And if the woman doing like that, he doing well. Because any man has no down, I am no car bossy come on. Now when something happen to you, now you go tell no person where really they tell say, I be your bestie, I be your this, I be your that. The time when mama say need una way be say una be friends. Waka agbe na fe come out on the beat. As this something happen so now una wey be so na be bestie, una be friends, una be love, una be this one. Now una supposed to sit down around that woman. You go come dey look una, you go come dey gist with una, all e pain go still dey go down small. Wana ko range up. Una pack wana wa dey ba who wa dey ba emi manama una go join that thing. Why ya pion mani kon talk. Instead of una sit down around that woman, they console her. Ije, not worry, we dey here. You still be our Ije, nya. You still be our Ije. Everything go dey okay. Now God know the best. We don't know what will happen. We go find out. If na the hospital, if na anything, mareba ni jue. Una not do like that. A Facebook worker, a live video, they run enter. This one finish, the other one enter. Talk your own, me I can't talk my own. When you don't finish, I can't still talk my own. After I don't talk what I want to finish, I can't still tell you me no verse. And now make you no verse. For your mind, make you no verse. I dey fear some of you now. Not be lie. But why has it? One mama nothing no wa. Now this kind of thing will happen. So now that they know person will really love person. Even though say that your bestie tell you say this my EJ. A double, you know who I know. Even we are not about to say why make it for take care of those two children we live for grants. Not be one account the fear go what do I like here. Or we jin to wa fly, ijin ye watin, ijin ye wa we knock, ijin ye wa we the other one. Wako yo, my people, make I live una for here. Sit down, look like the dog. Go with there here with the look. We sit down with the watch. Sharon, may your gentle soul rest in perfect peace. I just pray may your man get that strength to take care of those two children where you leave behind. I'll leave that one now get because your mama not still young again like that because of all this stress and everything. May God give her the strength to move on with those children. Now bye bye all my people. Mona ride on. I was in Oriomaya take a bomb here. Come and buy here at the seller. Na me know everything. Na me go talk and way. Wakoya na do.
Hello, good morning, everyone. A lot of things have been going on, like a lot has happened for the past weeks, but the one of yesterday, I never thought me of all people would even do something like that. Like I'm here to apologize over yesterday, my actions yesterday, over what I did yesterday. I'm here to say I'm sorry. I'm here to apologize. Mommy, agree. Yeah, woman expect him now to go bomb women or how it will be. Even me myself, like I regretted my actions and I hated myself for it. So mommy, I'm here to beg you and your man. No allow why I bomb I'm asked to do a public video and I'm doing it not because I'm asked to, but because I feel it's right. So I sit here, but no one I go. Who apologize? Egwe mommy la wo. Ti o tie mo wo ene o yo bo mo mu ene. Egwe la wo. E sha no ma mu eri ama me boragmo. O ma konde mi we ma me boragmo. E ma ere mi o te wa wo eri agwe. So no la wo. Anything really you or no de but we call la wo. And I still beg whoever the thing offend we see I'm offensive. I beg. Me could not forgive me, me could not beg. I know me harm, I know me bad. Anything I do yesterday, I don't get right.